The first thing to do if you're considering joint replacement surgery is to investigate your options. There are different ways to do this. There's not just one right way. We're offering a enhanced way to do this, a more precise way to do this, and we're doing that within the context of an orthopedic wellness system that starts from the office decision to proceed surgically, through an optimization process preoperatively, through a carefully managed inpatient experience that patients rate very highly. And then we follow up with you as surgeons in the office as you rehabilitate. We can provide a very predictable result. The Mako robotic system is one element in our joint replacement program. It's a very important element to achieve accurate, well-performing joint replacements.